again, as a review, we have 3 classifications of caregiving tools. First, we have the tools, equipment, and paraphernalia for meal preparation. The second one is tools, equipment, and paraphernalia for cleaning, washing, and ironing. And the third one is tools, equipment, and paraphernalia for taking vital signs. Okay? So I hope you don't have any question with regards to classification and of course the definition for each tools, equipment, or paraphernalia. Okay, so for this week we have uses of caregiving tools, equipment, and paraphernalia properly. Okay? So kung last week na-identify na natin yung classification, ngayon naman malalaman natin how can we use those caregiving tools, equipment, paraphernalia based on the task requirement. Okay? So malalaman natin ngayon what will be the step-by-step procedure on how to use the different tools or the common caregiving tools. Okay? So please take down notes and the important points that I will give to you during the discussion. Okay? Okay, simulan natin dito sa table of contents. So we have common equipment for meal preparation, so blender. And then common equipment for cleaning, ironing, laundry. We have bottle sterilizer, flat iron, and washing machine. Okay? So meal preparation and cleaning, ironing, laundry, this will be our topic for week 2. And then by next week, ito yung magiging topic natin, common equipment for taking vital signs. Okay? So ibig sabihin ngayon, magpo-focus muna tayo dito sa dalawang classification. Okay? So dito lang sa dalawang to tayo magpo-focus ngayon. Okay? So let us start with the common equipment for meal preparation. Okay? So we have now the blender. Okay? So of course, what is the function of having blender? Okay, we already know that blender is used for mixing, puree, and emulsify food ingredients. So in making shakes and smoothies, we're gonna use this blender. Now, the first step in using the blender is for you to choose a flat and dry surface on which you to operate your blender. Okay, so ngayon pipili tayo ng lugar na flat, dry surface, okay? Kung saan pwede tayong gumamit ng ating blender. So ngayon, bakit ba flat and dry? Siyempre, since ang blender natin is electric operated, siguraduhin natin na dry ang surfaces para maiwasan natin ang mga short circuit. And then next, we need to choose flat surface para at least stable yung pag-ooperate natin. Maaring kasing matapon yung mixture natin if baku-bako yung mesa ang gagamitin natin. So, we need to choose a flat or stable place or table, okay? Then the next one, make sure that all the parts are placed in their appropriate places before operating the blender. Okay? So, siguraduhin na lahat ng mga parts na magagamitin natin, lahat ng mga ingredients na gagamitin ay ready na lahat sa isa table. Dapat yan yung tinatawag nating mise en place. So, ibig sabihin, naka-ready na po lahat ng equipment na gagamitin natin, the parts of the blender, and also the ingredients that we're going to use. Pangatlo, put the pitcher onto the base and plug the blender. Okay? So, dito naman, ilagay na daw natin yung pitcher sa pinaka-place and then saksak na natin. Next, place the ingredients in the pitcher and put the lid on firmly. Ano ba yung sinasabi nating lid? Pag sinabi nating lid, ito yung takip. Okay? So, ngayon, pag nailagay na natin yung mga ingredients natin. So, in making shake, simulan po natin ito sa fruits. If we will make mango shake, okay, ilagay na natin si mango. Okay, and then takpan na natin siyang mabuti. Next, start operating by choosing the setting appropriate for the task you are going to do. Okay, so ano ba yung sinasabi nating setting? Now, mapapansin natin dito sa ating blender, okay, as you can see, meron yung mga numbers or low, medium, high. Okay? Now, kung ang ating i-blend po ay malalambot lang, like yung mango natin, malambot lang yan, you can choose yung setting natin low hanggang medium. Now, if you will shake vegetables or fruits like apple, broccoli, mga medyo matitigas, no? Ayan, so pwede dun tayo sa high, okay? So, you need to choose appropriate setting para po yung ikot ng ating blender ay appropriate din doon sa pinaka-texture ng ating gagamiting or i-blend nating ingredients. Next, you may add food or ingredients through the secondary lid while the blender is still running. Okay, mapapansin natin meron tayong secondary lid or may maliit na takip sa gitna. Ngayon, you will add the secondary ingredients. If you will make mango shakes, what will be the possible secondary ingredients? Okay, so pwede tayo mag-add dito while the blender is running. Mag-add tayo ng sugar, ng milk, ng ice, okay, habang umiikot para nag-emulsify yung ating ingredients. Pag sinabing emulsification, nag-incorporate yung air sa ating mixture. Okay, so ilalagay na natin habang umaandar si blender. Now, after na ma-blend, of course, transfer it on a container or sa basong ating pag-iinuman. And then after that, you need to clean the blender after use. Okay, it is very important that after you clean the blender, you need to store it properly. Itago natin siya na maayos ng tuyo. You need to dry first before storing it. Okay? Napaka-importante niya kasi pag iniwanan natin basa, yan yung nag-cause na mabilis pagkakalawang ng LEC. So, before you store the blender, be sure that it is already dry. Okay. Next, we have the common equipment for cleaning, ironing, and laundry. Okay, so the first one, we have the bottle sterilizer. Again, what is the function of the bottle sterilizer? Okay, so we already know that bottle sterilizer, it's used to kill the bacteria or microorganisms inside the baby bottles. Okay, napaka-importante niyan that we need to sterilize the baby bottles, no? Para naiiwasan natin yung magkaroon ng amoebiasis, yung ating mga babies, pananakit ng tiyan, yung pagkabag. Kasi pag hindi na i-sterilize yung bote, minsan yung nagiging cause. Now, ma'am, paano po pag wala kaming bottle sterilizer? How can we sterilize the bottles? Now, anak, pwede tayo magpakulo ng tubig, okay? Ilalagay natin, pakukuluan natin si baby bottle sa mga kaserola. Be sure lang na babantay natin at least 2 to 3 minutes lang ang papakulo ng bote, no? Babantayan natin siya kasi baka mamaya yung gilid ng bote ay dumikit. Okay? Dumikit dun sa mga sides ng ating kaserola. And that is the reason bakit minsan kapag nagpapakulo sa kaserola ay nade-deform ang bote lalo na kapag plastic. So, dapat babantayan natin siyang mabuti. Yan class yung advantage ng meron tayong bottle sterilizer because it is automatic. Hindi ka mag-aalala na maaaring masunog, hindi ka mag-aalala na maaaring ma-deform yung mga bote. Okay. Now, the first step in using the bottle sterilizer is to place the recommended amount of water as specified in the manufacturer's instructional manual. Then, plug the unit. Okay? So, and then isaksak na natin siya. So, it is very important for you to read first the manufacturer's instructional manual before operating it. Okay? Kung nakalagay sa ating manual is 5 cups of water, okay, so you need to follow it. Okay? So, put desired amount of water and then plug the unit. Then after that, place the bottle upside down. Place the nipples, nipple rings, and cups in such a way that they do not touch each other. Either prop them between the lower prongs or place them on the supplied surface. Now, mapapansin natin ang bote po ay patiwarik inilagay. Bakit? Kasi para po pumasok sa loob yung init. Okay? And also siguraduhin daw na hindi magkakapatong at magkakadikit ang mga bote. Next, yung mga nipple rings natin, mga nipples, dapat hindi rin yung patong-patong. Siguraduhin makakapasok ang init sa bawat nipples. Okay? Then next, cover the sterilizer and turn on the unit. Okay, takpan na natin siya, okay? And then turn on the unit. Now, ang kagandahan dito class, it is automatic. Ayan, it is about 10 minutes automatic cycle. Mag-raise yung temperature, iinit siya, no? It is sufficient level to kill off any bacteria. Okay, siguradong mamamatay lahat ng bacteria after 10 minutes. Once the cycle ends, automatic po lalamig na yung ating mga bote or it begins to cool, no? So some models or units will not allow you to open the cover until the cooling cycle is completed. So may mga models tayo na hindi talaga pwedeng buksan hanggat hindi tapos yung cycle. Okay? So after ma-cool down yung mga bote natin, yung mga nipples na yan, so ayan, you will unplug the unit. After you unplug it, remove the feeding bottles from the sterilizer. Okay, remove na muna natin siya. I-transfer natin sa isang container which kung saan natin inilalagay yung mga bote. Ayan. Then after that, okay, clean the sterilizer based on the manufacturer's specification. okay? Linisin na natin, depende po sa nakalagay sa manual kung paano siya lilinisin. Now, it is very important, sabi ko ulit, na basahin po ang instruction para po tama ang ating paglilinis. And then, don't forget to dry it bago natin itago. Okay? Next. Flat iron. Okay, what is the function of having a flat iron? Okay, so it is used to remove the wrinkles of our clothes, used to presses our clothes or draperies, okay, para matanggal yung mga gusot-gusot ng ating mga damit. Now, the first thing you need to do is to check the label of every garment before ironing. So, ano ba yung sinasabi nating label ng damit? So, sa Tagalog, ito yung tinatawag na etiketa. Okay, so ano bang nakasulat sa label ng ating garment? Okay, so maaaring ito yung material na ginamit. So, halimbawa is 70% cotton, 30% polyester. Or halimbawa, do not iron the clothes. Okay? Do not machine wash. Nakalagay dun class kung ano yung instruction dun sa specific na damit. Kasi merong mga damit na hindi talaga dapat pinaplansya. So, you need to check first the label before you start ironing. Next, unfold your ironing board near the outlet. Okay? Siguraduhin natin malapit natin i-unfold yung ironing board sa outlet para hindi every time na nagre-run tayo sa damit ay nahuhugot ang saksak. You need to plug and choose the appropriate setting based on the material of clothes. Now, ano ba yung sinasabing setting ulit? Pag sinabi nating setting, ito yung number o ito yung desired na heat na gusto mo dun sa iyong paplansyahin. Okay? May mga numbers yan dyan. Okay? Next is you need to preheat the flat iron and it should be done before starting. Okay? So, dapat nating tandaan yan, no? You need to preheat the flat iron first at least 2 to 5 minutes. Okay? And then next, stretch the garment across the ironing board to make sure it is flat. Okay? Stretch natin yung damit. Okay? Para at least pag pinlansya natin ay mabilis na tayo makakapagplansya. And then next, run iron over one part of the garment such as the hem. Pag sinabi po nating hem, ito yung tinatawag nating laylayan. Okay? So, let us try kung if it is not too hot or kung medyo natatakot ka, baka mamaya masunog yung laylayan, pwede naman nating i-run yung iron natin sa mismong kabayo. Okay? Sa mismong ironing board natin. Next, move the iron over the pants, blouse, skirt, and take note of pleats and pockets. Be sure, class, when you iron your clothes, be sure na i-check natin yung mga pleats, yung mga pockets, baka mamaya may mga laman pa yung mga barya, no? Kasi babakat yan, no? Kapag tayo ay nag-plancha. And then after you have your ironing, okay, your ironing over the clothes, next unplug the iron and allow the unit to cool down before storing it. Siguraduhin natin, class, pagkahugot natin, palamigin muna natin yung ating plancha bago natin itago. Okay? So, alam ko yung iba dito, tinatapat yung inyong plancha sa pader, 'di ba? Kasi alam naman natin na ang pader ay malamig, 'di ba? Malamig yung ating pader, mas mabilis mag-cool down ang ating flat iron. Another is yung iba naman, tinatapat siya sa electric fan. No? Depende sa inyo kung paano yung basta siguraduhin natin na bago natin siya itago ay malamig na siya or hindi na siya mainit. Kasi baka mag-cause pa to ng fire kapag tinago natin siya ng mainit. Okay? It is very important for you to cool down before storing it our flat iron. Okay. Next. Last but not the least is the washing machine. Okay? So, what is the function of having washing machine? Okay, so it is used to wash our clothes automatically, no? Napaka-helpful nito kasi kapag meron tayong washing machine, habang umiikot ang ating washing machine, nalalaban yung damit natin, we can do another thing. Example, pwedeng kasabay na nagluluto tayo, naglilinis ng bahay. So, very helpful talaga yung ating washing machine. Okay, now, the very first step in washing is sorting the clothes. Okay, separate according to colors, materials, and classifications of clothes. Napaka-importante nito that you need to segregate it. Okay? Now, sa tingin nyo, what will happen kapag minix together na natin yung paglalaba? Okay, so, tama, maaaring magkahawa-hawa, no? Baka mamaya yung white na damit nyo maging rainbow na yan after you wash it, no? Kapag mixed together. Okay, and then next, put the detergent into the washing machine. Let the detergent go to the bottom of the washing machine. Now, it is very important na unahin muna natin yung sabon, ayan, sa ating washing machine. Kasi yung iba, inuuna yung damit. Ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng puti-puti dun sa ating damit kasi sumisingit yung mga detergent. So, very important na you need to put first the detergent sa washing machine, okay? And siguraduhin na natin, ayan, nasa bottom part na siya. And then after that, put the clothes loosely in the washing machine. Next na natin, ilagay na natin yung ating damit, okay? Load the laundry as high as the manufacturer specifies or to the top of the holes in the tub. Ngayon, class, meron ka makikitang manufacturer's instruction doon, no? Makikita mo if that is 6.5 kilos, 5.5 kilos, okay. So, dapat sundin natin yun. Ngayon, hindi naman kailangan timbangin natin yung damit every time na maglalaba tayo. Mapapansin natin dyan, kung hirap ng umikot, yung pinaka LEC ng ating washing machine, no, mahirap na siyang umikot, hindi na umiikot ng maayos, ibig sabihin, sobra na yung nilagay mong damit. So, you need to, lessen dun sa nilagay mong load. Okay? And then close the lid and choose the setting of the washing machine according to what you are washing. So, syempre, takpan na natin siya. Napaka-importante na takpan ng washing machine habang naglalaba dahil yung mga bubbles nagtatap up yan, no? Maaring baka mamaya yung bubbles pumatak sa may saksakan, mag-cause pa ng accident. So, takpan natin siya and then choose the appropriate setting. Ano ba yung sinasabi nating setting? Okay, may nakalagay dyan, no? Dito sa ating washing machine, if it is low, medium, or heavy. Kung mas mabigat yung mga sinalang nyo, like mga maong, ayan, dapat i-choose natin yung setting na heavy para tama din po yung pag-ikot, no? Mas malakas yung magiging ikot ng LEC ng ating washing machine, no? Depende kasi yan kung gaano kabigat or anong klaseng damit yung isasalang natin. You need to choose the appropriate setting. Next, turn on the washing machine and then let the unit work through all the cycles. Wait for the machine to turn off before you unload the wash laundry. Okay, siguraduhin natin na before you unload, tapos na po yung isang cycle, hindi yung habang naikot, tatanggalin natin yung damit. Baka mamaya, mapasama yung kamay nyo sa pag-ikot. So, wait for the unit to turn off bago ka mag-unload. And then after that, load the next batch and then repeat the step 5 and 6. Okay, then after that, ayan, syempre turn off and unplug the unit. Okay? Ayan. So, it is very important for you to unplug the unit. Okay? Pag nahugot na natin siya, okay, linisin na natin, clean the washing machine. Pwede natin punasan ng basang-basahan itong paligid ng washing machine. And of course, yung pinakaloob niya, class, buhusan natin siya ng isang timbang tubig na malinis para yung huling tubig na lalabas ay malinis. Okay? So, ayan yung ating topic for this week.